You must be the change you want to see in the world, said Mahatma Gandhi. This video will discuss accessibility to drinking water in India, the effects of poor drinking water, and the possible reforms. I will also talk about electricity deficit and surplus and conclude this video with problems regarding sanitation and possible solutions. We live in a country rich in culture and filled with plenty of opportunities. However, there are some minor problems that need to be fixed to further improve our economic position in the world. One of these issues would be accessible to clean drinking water. According to the Hindustan Times article dated March 21st, 2017, 63 million Indians do not have access to clean drinking water, revealed that only about 26.9 million houses out of 167.8 total households have access to clean drinking water. It is understandable that although India is a country filled with beautiful scenery, diverse people, and authentic cultures, there are some parts in the country that are still underdeveloped. Consequently, medical problems also arise. Now you will see a graphic on the screen that depicts the different contaminants found in the drinking water. As you can see, the most common contaminants are iron, salinity, arsenic, and fluoride. These contaminants are lethal for the body because they can potentially cause problems in the respiratory tract, can cause cancer, and create skin lesions. According to this article, the government has planned to install pipe water to about 90% of the rural populations by the end of 2022, which is a plausible solution to resolve the issues. Another problem that the country is confronted with would be accessibility to stable electricity. Even though this problem is still prevalent in society, it has significantly improved since the beginning of the decade. In the article titled "Many Don't Have Power in Power Surplus India," describes the surplus of power that is left over but unable to be distributed effectively to all areas. A possible solution would be to evenly distribute power supply with occasional power cuts so that the government would be able to afford electricity to supply to all regions of the country. Lastly, an issue that the country is faced with would be the sanitation levels in the certain regions of India. This has been an issue that the country has been combating for a while and has made a conscientious effort to resolve it. In an article published by the Economic Times, "Why India Needs to Count Its Broken Toilets," reveals that 96.5% of the rural government schools has toilets, but about 27.79% of the toilets were not in a proper working condition, thereby creating problems with sanitation. However, the government has been making efforts to slowly resolve this issue by installing more efficient toilets that are able to sustain for a long period of time. Statistics from this article shows that the number of toilets in rural area has increased by 7.43% between the years 2010 and 2016. Overall, although there are small issues in India's quality infrastructure model, there are problems that are being resolved and conditions are improving gradually, thereby ameliorating societal and economic standards. Thank you.